Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Jay, back at it again with the Crimson Camry. This is a different way I'm doing a video. I'm driving my car. About to pull up to my house here and show you guys my reaction to my custom steering wheel from CZD. All right, so yeah, y'all hear that back and forth, y'all hear that joint. But yeah, so I'm about to show y'all my reaction on what it's gonna look like. So as soon as I park everything and about to open the box, I got y'all. All right, guys, so I am pulling up right now. Man, I'm excited, man. I've been waiting for this thing for about a month since I designed it. Oh gosh, what was that? But yeah, I'm pulling up right now and you're about to see my reaction. So let's go ahead and do it. Make it all live. Here it be. CZD. Hey. All right, so you guys know the little history behind it. CZD is a company that makes steering wheels for all different car brands. This steering wheel right here, I custom designed myself. I took, bits and pieces from all different companies of their looks and stuff like that, and I put it all together. It took me a couple weeks, honestly, and it took me a couple hours to get the final touches of exactly how I wanted it, say. Wow, look at that detail, man. Ridiculous. And this steering wheel is freaking heavy as crap. I never realized how heavy a steering wheel is. Look at the details. So this right here is suede to match the suede that's inside the SC interior, the seats, the lower trim. We got forged carbon fiber with red specs, red stitching inside the suede with regular carbon fiber emblem. Carbon fiber right here, red carbon fiber right here. Yeah, man, this right here, this looks good. Wow. This is the steering wheel, custom designed by yours truly. Okay, looking good. Got custom tuners paddle shifters on the back to match the red carbon fiber I have going around and the red carbon fiber I have in my ship.